Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Cleo app stop working right after you updated your iPhone to a new iOS version? Here's the quickest fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down, slide to power off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. iOS updates frequently create a temporary conflict with apps that handle sensitive data like Cleo, and a full restart clears most of them right away. After reinstalling, open your App Store and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right and check for a Cleo update in the list. Since developers typically push an iOS compatibility patch within a few days of major iOS release, tap update if one is available. If there is no update yet and Cleo is still broken, go to settings, privacy and security and check that Cleo's permissions haven't been reset. Since a fresh iOS install can sometimes reset app level permissions that Cleo needs to function correctly. So all you've got to do is restart your iPhone, check the App Store for a compatibility update, offload and reinstall if needed, and check your permission and settings. Cleo works on your new iOS and that's it. Subscribe.